There's no way this many people don't know the actual definition of a blizzard.
Out of all the reindeers, you know you're the mastermind.
A blizzard is a snowstorm in which there are winds over 35 miles per hour. This causes there to be visibility less than a quarter of a mile. The winds are so strong that not only do they blow around falling snow, but they lift the snow off the ground and blow that around as well. There is a large drop in the barometric pressure, aka the amount of pressure pushing upon the earth by the atmosphere at any time. This can also be represented by a low pressure system. There must be a freezing temperature to obtain a blizzard. A blizzard happens when a cold air mass slides underneath a warm air mass and the cold overtakes the warm.
And then away went Rudolph, whistling like a shooting star.
So did you know that severe storms don't just happen in warmer months? A blizzard is a large winter storm with low temperatures and strong winds. And instead of rain, lots and lots of snow. Driving and walking during a blizzard can be dangerous because the blowing snow makes it hard to see. That's what makes a blizzard different from a regular snowstorm.
The largest blizzard in history hit southern Caucasus and into Iran. It killed over 4,000 people and left 26 feet of snow in its tracks. It wiped out over 200 villages and displaced over 6,000 people from their homes. After nearly a week of continued snowfall, the snow finally stopped, but negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures without food or water and no medical aid for days. It took many days for medical help to get in because of the super thick snowfall. Cars and medical help couldn't reach people, leaving many dead.
Good job.
Run, run, Rudolph, Santa's got to make it.
In the United States, blizzards commonly happen in the upper Midwest.
He can take the freeway down. Run, run, Rudolph.
Blizzards occur in most areas of the U.S. except for the Gulf Coast and the Californian coast.
Most to give.
We can see this because the green areas on this map have a colder climate and the red and orange areas have a hotter climate. It is hotter for blizzards to form here because it is so warm, and they do not have any highly elevated mountains for blizzards to form on the top.
Make it to town.
Blizzards can occur all over the world, even in the tropics where it is cold on high altitude mountains.
Run, run, Rudolph. I'm reading like a
The northern plains, however, are the perfect location for blizzard conditions. Because the flat terrain allows the wind to reach blizzard speed requirements, the cold temperatures allow the snow to be light and easily blown around, and the Alberta Clipper storm systems normally last for more than 3 hours.
Blizzards are fun because you can play in the snow and build a snowman.
out of all the reindeers, you know you're the master.
They are also fun because they water our grass when spring rolls in.
Rudolph, Randolph ain't too far behind.
But blizzards can also be very dangerous and cause frostbite,
Rudolph, Santa's got to make it to town.
hypothermia,
Santa, make 'em hurry, tell 'em he-
damage to property, and cause casualties.
Run, run.
I'm in Jersey City, New Jersey, right on the other side of the Hudson River from New York City. And on any other day, you would be able to see the skyscrapers of New York City behind me there, the Empire State Building, all sorts of different buildings. As you can see, none of them are visible now. It's complete whiteout conditions behind me because of this huge blizzard that's coming through the northeast of the United States. You can get a sense of how bad it is. The wind is just blowing over the tops of these homes behind me, and it's just blowing the snow away. If you see down, you can get a sense a little bit on how deep the snow is. Look, I'm going to put my foot there. Comes up almost to my knee. Again, just off in the distance, New York City, which you cannot see any of right now because of these blizzard conditions that are really hitting this part of the country right now.